Welcome back to part 2 of my series called Google Me This, where I go through the top most searched real estate and mortgage questions on Google and answer them here for you. Today's question is, can a mortgage cover renovation costs? The answer is yes, it can, using what we call a renovation loan. Now, there are two main types of renovation loans that you can do. One of them is for purchasing a home, and the other is for refinancing an existing home. So let's look at purchasing first. Let's say that you want to buy a house for X amount. Everything looks great about the home except that the kitchen needs a lot of work. So then you say, I would like to use a renovation loan to borrow an extra $20,000 to use it to fix up the kitchen. All right? As long as you qualify and you are approved for it, you will be able to use a renovation loan, borrow the money for the home, and a little bit extra on top to renovate the kitchen, which after close of escrow is when that money will be dispersed for the work to be done. Now, let's say you already own a home and you have a ton of equity. These last couple of years, anybody who owns a home has gained a ton of equity. So let's say you want to tap into it to remodel your kitchen. You can use a renovation loan, take out that $20,000 and use it to get yourself the kitchen that you want. So obviously I can't go into all of the guidelines and details of how to qualify and all that. So if you do want to learn more about these types of loans, make sure you reach out to me on any social media platform, or you can just text me and then we'll schedule a phone call. But thank you so much for tuning in and stay tuned for the next question.